Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick one today. I tore apart a 305 that had come out of a 3rd gen Camaro. The previous owner that we got it from said that he had changed the cam and lifters and then had lost motivation on it, which sounded like a suspect thing to begin with. At any rate, finally got the engine pulled apart today, and here's one of the pistons. Looks like it was shot peened, so evidently he must have dropped something down the intake manifold while it was apart or being assembled. There were small pieces of metal inside the cylinder when I took it apart. Couldn't identify what the hell they were, but something was ingested and beat this one up. The one right next to it also looks like it ingested something, beat it up. This one didn't have anything else in there, so whatever it was got ejected out the exhaust. Everything else looked really good, though. The motor has almost no ridge in it. It actually had a brand new Comp Cam's Mother Thumper cam, brand new roller lifters in it. Interestingly, it still had a flat tappet lifter down in the oil pan. I am not sure how that would even happen. They must have still had one in one of the lifter bores when they pulled the cam out and it fell down, because the lifter galley on a small block Chevy is closed. So just some things to look at. That's what you find when you're tearing apart an old motor. This is why when you're buying a core motor, always buy it disassembled or buy it at a deep discount. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.